Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to see love in the general for the sign of Sagittarius for August 2021. So watch this video if you're Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, or if you're dealing with one. Keep in mind these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate. If it do not resonate, do not try to deliberately fit in, check in any other placement. If you want to have a personal reading, link in the description. You can send me an email, you can reach out to me on Instagram. And if you want to follow my Instagram, where I keep on sharing daily horoscope, remedies, switch words, spells, witchcraft related things, so many things basically. So you can just go to my Instagram. The name is popping on the screen. The link is in the description. Alright, let's see messages for Sagittarius, please. Why are you overburdened with Sagittarius? I see you're really working hard and you're overburdened by something. Breathe, honey, breathe. just like take a moment, pause the video, breathe. All right, let's see messages. Give me present energy for once. Okay. 7 of Pentacles. Ooh. 8 of Swords. Okay. Bottom of the deck is the Devil card. So I see that you were hoping for a commitment, you were hoping for a marriage, you were hoping for a be all end all. I see you invested a lot of time, energy, emotions. You have a lot of emotions, but I see somebody basically played you. So you were dealing with a stupid or an idiot. Okay, somebody was wasting your time. I see this person was not giving you commitment. You were hoping that this person is a marriage material, but they are a devil. All right, so somebody basically turned into something which you never really expected out of them, and this has been a shocker for you. Some of you feel very stuck in the situation. You want to get out of it, but it is very difficult for you to leave the situation because you have invested a lot of time, energy and efforts. That's what the 7 of Pentacles is. I see that you were doing everything that you could to save the connection or to make it work or to reach this connection towards commitment. Like maybe you were just doing your part of the job and their part of the job, but somebody's immaturity kind of ruined the connection. There was a lot of passion between you and them. I see things might have started really quickly between both of you. That is why you could not really realize what was up. You were really hoping for stability and balance, but somebody just could not give it to you. And that is because somebody was playing games. They were very manipulative, or this person is an addict of some sort. So there were codependency issues. Let me know in the comments what was that. Was this person an addict of some sort? Was this person immature, or was this that this person just cannot take a decision? So one of the reasons. And some of you, I also feel that maybe this person is married already or committed already, and that is a problem. Whatever it is, I see that your person is very incapable of making a decision, and that is why they are stuck, and then they are keeping you stuck in the situation. Things started with a bang between both of you, Ace of 1 and 4 of 1. That's why, when things just started with a lot of bang, that's why you were hoping for a commitment, of course. So it had a lot of potential. You saw a lot of potential. That is why you were putting in the work. And Sagittarius, these people are intellectual people. They have brain, all right? They are not emotional fools. So I see that you basically weighed the pros and cons, and that is how you went after this connection, but then things just could not progress. Some of you, there was a lot of passion, and maybe the passion basically went out of the window. Some of you, it was a very sexual connection, but there was a lot of passion, a lot of attraction in the beginning, but now things have just gone for a toss. 7 of Wands. Have you blocked this person, or there's a block in communication? Something about this. Either you have already blocked this person, they're not in your life, or some of you, there is block in communication, that maybe you are there in each other's life, but you don't talk. But however, I see the communication has come to a halt, and things are getting very tough for you. You really feel that there is no way out, and you feel that something is confining you. You cannot see a way out. That is why some of you trying to be by yourself, you are educating yourself, you're just trying to cut off from the outer world, focus on yourself. Some of you healing, some of you going on a spiritual journey, some of you might have taken up celibacy, or you want to take up celibacy, I don't know what it is. But some of you, it's like you are kind of done with love, or you're just kind of done with this person. You're like, I cannot do this anymore. Some of you, you are so mature, like your approach to the connection is very, very mature, and at the same time, your person is very immature. So that is why you feel that you cannot deal with them anymore and you're kind of done. 6 of Wands. Some of you will be getting some sort of recognition in your work, or your money is going to improve. Some of you, especially in work. So yeah, if you're hoping for a recognition, for a hike, for a promotion, I see that's coming in. With the Wheel of Fortune, I see things are turning up for you. I see things have been stagnant for a very long time and you have been desperately waiting for a shift, desperately waiting for a change. And with the Wheel of Fortune, I see the tables are going to turn. So don't worry. Alright, if you have been feeling very lonely, if you have been feeling very, very sad, depressed, not able to see the way out, I see that things are going to turn for you very quickly. So the tables are about to turn. Don't worry about it. Alright, some of you will change places. So maybe that you were staying in a particular place and it was confining you, it was keeping you stuck. So your message is to move out of that place and look for a new place. New place, new perspective, new life. And for some of you, I see that this shift could be mental shift. So you're being asked to be more positive, be more open to opportunities that are coming towards you. Don't try to block things for yourself. All right? Don't try to stand in your own way. So I see that new things are going to happen for you. Universe is going to give you the opportunity, but some of you might just miss on it because you're having panic attacks. You're not able to sleep properly these days. Some of you having insomnia. With the 4 of Cups and the 9 of Swords, I definitely see a disturbed sleep pattern, anxiety issues. Your message is that things are going to turn, but for that you have to see things in a different perspective. When you know that you have been doing things in a certain way and it's not working, then try to do things differently. Sagittarius. You might be dealing with a Cancer or a Pisces who's very stubborn. Some of it's a Virgo that's very stubborn. Could be a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Capricorn. Somebody's stubbornness is creating a lot of problem. With the Moon and the 2 of Cups, I see there are emotions, but they are not expressed. You know that somebody likes you, but this person is not expressing. And because of that, the whole reading is going down. Somebody is very secretive. You're dealing with somebody who's secretive as fuck. They will never tell you things. They always try to conceal things. For others of you, I see it was a friends with benefit kind of situation. Maybe you overestimated the situation and this person is just willing to keep it very casual, but you are hoping for a commitment. And for others of you, I see maybe this person is committed elsewhere. They were giving you hopes, but this person is not going to fulfill them. They are coming as a knight, So this person is going to be very in and out of your life. And your message is not to feed off of the same cycle. You're basically stuck in the same cycle. Things are just going in the same turn. And things will only turn for you when you will try to let go and surrender. You are not surrendering to the process, Sagittarius. You're being very stubborn. Like you want things to happen in your way and you want things to happen when you want them to happen. That's not how it works. Divine timing is at play. So you need to surrender. Whatever you're trying to hold very tightly, let it go. Alright, let it go. Because that's when you will be welcoming this new change in your life. Things will turn for you. You are going to be happy. You will come out of this sleepless insomnia nights. You'll come out of this and you'll be doing good again, but for that, let it go. If you will try to do the same things over and over again, it's going to keep you stuck, and by now you should realize. So try to work on your thought pattern and try to move on things which is not serving you. Do not try to get stuck in the same cycle over and over again. If something is hurting you, let it go. Why are you holding on to it so tightly? Let it go. Alright, give me some energy about this person that Sagittarius was dealing with. Ace of Pentacles, ooh. Somebody wants to talk to you. But this person is still a low budget drama queen. I see this person would want to talk to you. They want to have a new beginning with you. But see their approach, 5 of Swords and 5 of Wands. I see that the problem between you and this person is that there is involvement of a lot of people. So maybe this person never tried to take a decision by themselves. They ask a lot of people. They get involved, friends and family. Or maybe this person is very chaotic. Like they're just very messed up. And in turn, they mess you up. With the Ace of Pentacles, they want to communicate, they want to initiate communication, but this person is messed up. Some of you, when this person comes and talk to you, you might actually fight again, so be very careful. You're basically seeing through this person's bullshit and you're done with it. You're like, I am done with you. You are never going to level up. You feel like that. And you're trying to be by yourself. Yeah, see? You're basically done with their drama and you're trying to regain balance in your own life. Some of you feel moving on is going to be the best option, but you're not able to completely. I see things are being stuck. And your message is that you will be stuck in this 8 of Swords energy till you don't move on. So some of you might be seeing 888 a lot, and that's your message. Move on. Try to let go. Focus on your healing. Focus on your, maybe become more spiritual. Start meditating, whatever. 4 of Swords. See? You know, you're trying to take control in your hand and you want to fix everything by yourself, Sagittarius. You feel that you are the one, Bob the Builder. You feel you're the Bob the Builder and you're going to build everything. Stop doing that. You can't. Sometimes things are going to happen when they are supposed to happen. And universe is trying to teach you a lesson. You're not learning the lesson, you're just repeating the same cycle over and over again. Until and unless you will learn this lesson, things will not improve for you. You're trying very hard, you're trying to take things in your control and you're trying to fix things. Stop doing that. Your message is to take a step back. Let things flow. Don't try to force things. Don't try to take things in your hand. Let it be. That's your message. What else? Give me some future energy for Sagittarius, please. 6 of Pentacles. Ooh. Strength card. I see new opportunities coming towards you, especially when it's money and work. I see there could be an opportunity where you have to work in groups and teams. It's going to give you very good returns. I also see somebody might be helping you when it comes to money. If you are waiting for your loan to be approved, I see that's going to happen. With the Strength card, in the future, in the month of August, I see that right now, see, you're going through a lot of pain and everything, but when you will release, that is when you're going to get the strength. You know, the strength comes when you let go. All right? Strong person is not a person who goes and punches everybody. It's the person who just knows how to overcome any obstacle and stand tall for themselves. Your message is to learn your lesson, whatever universe is trying to teach you, and then move on. That is how you will regain yourself. And you will become very strong. I see some of you have become, and for others of you, you will in the coming times. All of this happened for a reason. Embrace the change. Be grateful for it. 9 of Pentacles. Your money is about to improve. Some of you also feel that you know a certain way of making money, but you're not trying to take a risk, and that is keeping you poor, or that is keeping you stuck. By poor, I mean stuck, all right, or bankrupt or in debt. Your message is that if you're getting a nudge, if you're getting a download from universe and you know that if I will do this, maybe I'll get more money. If I'll use my skill, I will put myself out, I will start this business or whatever. It's going to give me good money. Your message is to go for it. It's going to give you money, yes. It's going to give you stability, yes. Some of you, even in your personal life, you very well know that this person or the situation is very toxic and I got to move on. But then something holds you back. Your message is that when you will take that leap of faith towards new things, that's when stability is going to come in. What is this person's next action towards my Sagittarius? King of Wands. Somebody is very egotistical. This person wants to pursue you, but you know, I see their energy is that they want to control you. They want to take control over you. So this person is still coming like a narcissist. So be very careful. Your message is that this person would try to dominate you. Be very careful. 2 of Pentacles. Some of you, you will have multiple options in love. For others of you, maybe this person is still coming back with their games. So be very careful. Do not close your eyes and trust anybody in the month of August is your message. I see that you're slowly and gradually moving towards your own stability. Keep doing that. 8 of Pentacles. You're working on something, it's going to give you results. If something did not work in the past, it's going to work in the future is what I see, especially in work and money. and you feel that this person was a waste of time. Yeah, you're going through a major transformation, but you're going to come out very victorious. Some of you have completely changed as a person. This person changed you. 3 of Wands. Look towards what is coming towards you, because what is coming towards you is far better than what has gone for. I see that there could be somebody in your future. I see a very stable energy coming in your future. Could be a water sign, earth sign. Someone very stable, someone who you can get married to, someone who could be a sugar daddy kind of person or a sugar mama kind of person, somebody very emotional, very caring, and somebody who's going to offer you commitment. Like, this person is going to talk about marriage. You know, King of Pentacles is the best king in the tarot. He's very emotional, sensual, very good father. So I see that your next person is going to be very stable, very emotional, very caring. You are a fire sign, they are going to be a water sign, a very water-like or very earth-like. This person is going to talk about commitment and etc., marriage, kids, family. This is going to be a very family-oriented person. But for that, you need to let this idiot go, whoever is trying to come back in your life. This person is a waste of time and you know it. For now, just try to work on things that you feel called to, because it's going to give you really good results. I see that you have to take a risk in your money or career situation. It's going to pay you off really well. So maybe just try to do your research and then go for it. Take that leap of faith. And for marriage, I see that you're manifesting a relationship, like a marriage kind of thing. It's in your future. It's coming in. Don't worry about it. Alright, message for Sagittarius for August. Getting to know each other, yes. So you might be meeting someone for yourself. Wasn't it the same message? And deception. See, your past person was just very deceptive, low budget pimp. Let this person go, because I see somebody coming in towards you. Very stable energy. Very stable energy. Alright? And it could be a new person, or maybe you know them, but you will get to know them better. But for that, let this toxic person go and the toxic situation go. Alright? That was your reading. Hope this helps and resonate. If it does, make sure you subscribe, like, share, comment. What are you waiting for Christmas? I'll see you very soon in the next video. Till then, you guys take care. Stay safe. Bye.